Nigerian Genius.
And the design of, I can say like maybe 40% done currently.
Well, good evening everyone. This is Team Carf from Funai, Alex Ekwueme Federal University in Eko. And today is day 4, right? Day 3 of the CIC Nigerian Genius Competition, and it's been a whole lot. Yes, we started off today with brainstorming and working on our already stated idea on the task we were given. So we made progress in the software aspect, we made progress in some parts of the hardware aspect, and we made a milestone progress in the design of our the 3D design of most of our components. We are done with that. It enables us to move on to the next stage, which is the printing, fabricating it here in the facility. So after that, we had our progress report, a presentation, and there were judges alongside Sir Clinton. So we gave full detailed progress report on everything we've been doing. They asked us, okay, we move forward to the components that we'll be using. After our calculations has been made, and after we've had a physical sketch of what we wanted. What stage are we in? Have we gotten the idea? Have we decided on the mode of power generation to use and everything? We gave questions. We answered the question in response to how far we've gone and the progress we've made. We were asked about our hardware too and everything. We told them how far we've gone. We told them that we're done with the 3D designing. We told them that we just awaiting printing, and that was cool. We were scored based on the presentation. We got second position with a point of about over 200. I can't remember the exact score, but over 200. We came second in the presentation.
Second position got 217, and that went to AI Funai.
Also, on our hardware parts, the components we are using, most materials are to be sourced locally, most materials are to be gotten online, and most materials are to be fabricated by us. So we have divided and we have separated each component in these three categories, and we have made progress with the ones we are to fabricate here by ourselves. We have plans on the ones we are sourcing locally, and motion has been setting for the ones we are getting online too. So what my team and I are seeing as one of the most stressing challenges is just the hardware component, because theoretically we have been able to have a plan to generate the power and everything, but the structure to put it in place is seeming challenging, which has to do with the fabrication and most of the components, the design and most of the components. This is the current challenge we are facing right now. And after which we went for the completion of our welding class we had the other day. We did a little thing in the working on the project we were asked to work on in respect to welding, after which we had a tour around the facility, and then we had our mentorship session where some personnel in the field asked us deep questions in respect to our projects, and which exposed us to loopholes in most of the decisions we took, which exposed us to solutions to most of the problems we were having. So we got advice, we got some advice from them, we got some encouragements for them, we got some corrections from them, and that session was, I think it's one of the best sessions we have here, where we have a one-on-one with experienced hands in respect to what we are doing here. So that was it for today, and we say a very big thank you to the organizers of the competition. This is truly a platform to learn. This is truly and has truly been a platform to grow and been a platform to compete. And we enjoyed every bit of it here. Thank you. And to our fans, to our supporters, we want to thank you so much for the support so far. We want to thank you so much for the engagement so far, and we believe we can do more than that. So please don't stop supporting us, don't stop waiting for us, and we believe that we're going to come out first and we're going to come out top. Thank you.
The Nigerian Genius.